To get to the very top, we took the cable car. The ride takes only about 6 minutes, but it gives you a great view of the entire city and the busy harbor below.
The view from up here is completely different from the rest of the coast. You quickly realize why this place was so important in history. And here is the surprising part. This rock is famous for its locals. These are Barbary macaques, and they are the only wild monkeys living in Europe.
There is a local legend saying that as long as these monkeys stay on the rock, the place will remain British. They are very used to tourists, but you still need to be careful with your bags. If you want a real challenge, you have to walk out onto this glass platform. The Skywalk stands hundreds of meters above the sea, and looking straight down through the floor is incredible.
After walking along the high cliffs, it was time to change our perspective completely and head inside the mountain. Deep inside the limestone rock lies St. Michael's Cave. During World War II, this place was prepared as a military hospital, but today it is a stunning concert hall with an amazing light show.
is the Windsor Suspension Bridge, stretching 71 meters across a deep gorge with the massive industrial harbor sitting right beneath your feet. As you head lower, the paths lead into heavy military history, like the Devil's Gap Battery, which has been guarding the strategic crossing since the start of the 20th century.
Leaving the quiet nature trails behind, passing through the old stone gates brings you directly into a town center that feels like a complete surprise.
If you look closely, behind the British storefront, you can still find beautiful Moorish courtyards that tell the story of the centuries before the British arrived. Even down here in the city, the streets quietly turn into narrow, steep alleys that remind you exactly where you are, right at the base of a massive mountain.
It feels surreal to walk past classic British shops and red phone boxes under the warm Mediterranean sun, but this rock has been an important British stronghold for over 300 years. Walking down the main street feels completely surreal because it looks exactly like a traditional English high street, but it is bathed in a hot Mediterranean sun. Seeing these iconic red telephone boxes standing next to the palm trees is definitely something we did not expect to find here.
This is one of the few places in the world where you can literally cross a commercial landing strip on foot. If you ever find yourself in southern Spain, visiting this place is definitely an experience worth having. Let us know in the comments if you would add Gibraltar to your travel list. Bye bye!